In this video, we are discuss about 12th standard computer science, chapter 2, data abstraction, the topic of list and tuples. What's the topic? List and tuple. Some programming languages like Python provide a common structure to implementing data abstraction. Some programming languages like Python programming. Listen. In 11th standard you are studied what language? C++ language. But in 12th standard you are studying Python programming language. So some programming languages like Python programming language provide a common structure to implementing data abstraction. This structure is called pair. This structure is called pair. Okay. Next, what is pair? Pair is made up of list and tuple. What is pair? Pair is made up of list and tuple. Next, what is list and what is tuple? The difference between list and tuple. Listen. First point. Sequence of values within square brackets separated by comma. Sequence of values within square brackets separated by comma is known as list. Next, tuple. Sequence of values within parentheses separated by comma is known as tuple. What's the difference? Sequence of values within square bracket separated by comma. Here, sequence of values within parentheses separated by comma. Second point, the elements of list can be changed. The elements of list can be changed, but the elements of tuple cannot be changed. The list elements can be changed, but the tuple elements cannot be changed. Third point, it stores different types of values. In a list, store different types of values. But tuple, it stores same type of values. Another point, it is mutable. List is mutable values, but tuple is immutable values. For example, list address. You think address values list within square brackets. Address having name, phone number. That's all list values. Name is a text values, but phone number is a integer value. That is different types of values. Name is a text or character values, but phone number is a integer value. So list can store different types of values. But tuple has, for example, color equal to parenthesis means this bracket, red, yellow, that are tuple values. So different. Listen once again. Listen. This is a list value. Address, name, phone number. That's a different types of values. So this is a list elements. Here color having red, yellow. That's the same type of values. So this is a tuple element. Another one topic. The elements of a list can be accessed in two ways. The elements of a list can be accessed in how many ways? Two ways. First way is multiple assignment. Second way is element selection operator. Multiple assignment means the elements can bind in different names. The elements can bind in different names. For example, list equal to 10, 20. Multiple values can be assigned here. Here x equal to 10, y equal to 20. The x value can be assigned to 10 value is assigned to be x and the value of 20 is assigned to be y. So this is a multiple assignment. Another way, element selection operator. List example, list of 0. List of 0, 10. Next, list of 1, 20. This is element selection operator. This 0 means index value. 0 means index value. 10 means value of value. Value means elements. Value means elements. 0 means index value. 10 means elements. Here 1 means index value. 1 means index value. 20 is element. So index value and elements can be bind into 1. This is called pair. What is pair? Binding of two values into 1. This is called pair. Another one, representing rational number using list and tuple. Representing rational number using list and tuple. Let us see here pseudocode of list. Here pseudocode of tuple. Here x comma y equal to 10 comma 20. X assign the value of 20, y assign the value of 20. Rational n comma d. N means numerator, d means denominator. Number of x. Next, return x of 0. 0 means index value. X assign the value of index value. 0 is index value. Here 1 is index value. What's the element of 0? 10. So, x value assign the element of 10 and y value assign the element of 20. Here pseudocode of tuple. Nums equal to 1, 2. Nums of 0, 1, nums of 1, 2. Here 0 means index value, 1 means index value. See, 1 is the element of 0 index value and 2 is the element of 1 index value. You understand? Thank you, student.